Hello guys, welcome to CBM Port with Mitch F. Bill Mkono Manene Kowet mbaya sana, and you know how we do this, yeah. Welcome to another show, and today I'm going to prepare a very easy recipe to make something that you can master and make very easy when you want to prepare a very quick breakfast. You are rushing somewhere, so today I'm going to prepare coconut pancake, a very sumptuous, scrumptious, just a very sexy snack, very easy to make, something that will make you salivate, yeah. Yani utamu iko hapa, mautamu mbaya sana. Let me hope you enjoy and you master the recipe. Let's do this. Maneno iko wet mbaya. So you need warm water, or you can use either hot or warm, but I'm using hot. And then you need some eggs and butter. And this is a mixture of desiccated coconut, yeast, and baking soda mixed in one bowl, yeah. Just 1 tablespoon is enough. And then you need all-purpose wheat flour. Just a bowl is enough. And then you need brown sugar, but you can use any type of sugar, yeah? Or you can also use honey if you want the pancake to last longer. So I'm going to melt the butter in that hot water. Make sure it has melted very well. And then I'm going to pour it in a jar so that it will make my work easier when I'm mixing. And then I'm going to take the solid, I'm starting with the solid stuff, yeah. I'm going to add the mixture of desiccated coconut, baking soda, and yeast. Because when you are using yeast, you have to make sure that water is still warm so that it can react very fast, and that baking soda. And also it helps the solid stuff to dissolve much faster in the water, yeah. So I've added sugar also, and I'm going to put my egg also, and then I whisk the mixture. You have to make sure you have whisked very well so that the flavor can be evenly distributed, yeah. So you have to make sure you have whisked very well, and then I'm going to add my wheat flour, just slowly by slowly, and then put just a little bit. Maneno iko wet mbaya sana, maneno iko wet mbaya sana. So ukiangalia mixture yetu inaendelea fiti sana. You have to make sure you keep on incorporating the all-purpose wheat flour very slowly so that you don't have a lot of solid stuff in the mixture. You have a very smooth consistency, just the way unaona hapa. So keep on stirring, keep on stirring. You should not be in a rush here. And we have to make sure also we don't have a very watery mixture. So it should be medium. It should not be very watery and it should not be very thick. So it should be in the middle when you're making the mixture. So you have to make sure you have a very, very, very balanced consistency. It's not thick and it's not watery. It's just in the middle. Yeah. So keep on mixing so that all the ingredients can be evenly distributed. Maneno iko wet mbaya sana, yeah? So our pan is ready. As you can see, it's getting hot. Keep on stirring, keep on stirring. Don't get tired of stirring the mixture. Just in case there's any flour that has not been dissolved very well in the mixture, keep on stirring. Our pan is getting hot. We have to make sure our pan is hot. and then you have to use a serviette or a clean plain cloth or linen. So you put some oil and then you spread across the pan, yeah, just the way I'm doing. After pouring the first one, this one will guide you about the consistency, and you let it cook on low heat. Maneno iko wet mbaya sana, yeah. So let it cook on low heat. After the edges have started turning brown, you turn the pancake. Just look at that. That looks beautiful. That is sexy. That is scrumptious. Oh my God. Oh my days. That is so beautiful, man. Just look at that, yeah. It's so delicious. Just feel like eating. You are salivating. Maneno iko wet mbaya sana, yeah. And then you remove it. You put another one. You make sure the edges are turning brown. You change. You turn the pancake. You just enjoy the ride, yeah. Don't be in a rush to make them. But it's a very easy recipe. You can make it very fast if you want, but you should always make sure the heat is medium. Yeah, you're using medium temperature. Make sure you're using medium temperature. Just look at that. It's so sexy, man. Oh my days, so beautiful. Maneno iko wet mbaya sana, and you keep on doing that until you finish your mixture. Maneno iko wet mbaya. Maneno iko wet mbaya sana. Just look at that. Oh my days, it's so sexy. Mautamu, Mautamu reloaded. Mautamu iko hapa, let me tell you. The aroma in this house, I wish you could be here. The aroma is so beautiful. That coconut scent, oh my days, is something to die for, man. This is a snack to die for. Just look at that. You just feel like eating something sumptuous, something sexy, man. Unajua kitu sexy is something that you just look at it like this and you feel you are salivating. Your mouth is full of saliva, man. Yeah, that is so beautiful. Just look at that. You have to make sure those pancakes are golden brown. And that is our coconut pancake ready. It's so sexy. Maneno iko wet mbaya. Wow, that is so flaky. Just look at that. So soft, so tender, so delicious, so beautiful, man. That is coconut pancake. You have to make sure they are golden brown, so beautiful, so scrumptious, just exquisite, man. And you enjoy your meal. This is so beautiful, man. And let me tell you, these pancakes you can take with any drink of your choice, any soft drink of your choice. If you want coffee, if you are a coffee lover, if you are a soft drink person, juice, you can take it anytime. It's so beautiful, man. Maneno iko wetu mbaya sana. This is CBM Port with me, Chef Bill Mkono. Thank you so much for watching. Muchas gracias, merci, asanteni sana. Maneno iko wetu mbaya sana. Mautamu reloaded. Let's meet into the next video of CBM Port Cooking Blending Memories. Maneno iko wetu mbaya.